Hi, and welcome back to Digital Learning Resources. I'm Lucas Hicks, and we are in the Learning Technology Lab. In this video, you're going to learn how to use a visitor pass with the double robots and how to create a visitor pass with the double robots. Let's get started. Okay, if you've received a visitor pass, it will look something like this. It'll say that it's from support@doublerobotics.com. It will show who invited you. And it will give you a time of the invitation and a duration for it. So what this section means is that during this time, for this amount of time, you are allowed to drive the double robot. Keep in mind this time is in UTC format, so you will need to probably copy and paste this into Google, and that should be able to translate that into your local time. To start driving the double robot, it's very simple. You just open this link in Chrome or Firefox if you're on a desktop or laptop, or if you're on an iPhone or iPad, you can download the Double Robotics application and then click this link, and it will probably start with by opening up in Safari, and then it will say I want to open up in the application, and then you can open up in the application and then start driving that way. To learn how to drive the double robot, Double Robotics has already made a video for that, and I'll link that somewhere in this video or put it down in the description below. So if you want to learn more about how to drive it, go ahead and view that video, and that'll give you a heads up. That's all the information you need to know if you're just a visitor, but if you're wanting to set up Visitor Pass, here's how to do that. The first thing you need to do is create an account. You can either do that with the iPad that's attached to the double, or you can go to doublerobotics.com and sign up that way. Once you've created your account, then you can go ahead and tap sign in on the double and sign in with your username and password. Okay, now that it's logged in, I can go ahead and set up the visitor pass, but before I do that, I want to make sure that I'm connected to the correct network. So here on campus, you want to make sure that your iPad is connected to the public Wi-Fi access, which is ASU Visitor. If not, you can tap Wi-Fi under the settings and choose ASU Visitor. Once you've done that, you can navigate back to the double app and then tap this icon. It looks like a little profile picture. And here is where you can create your visitor pass. So all you have to do is tap create visitor pass, enter in the person's email, choose a start date, and you can actually schedule this for some time in the future if you want, and then choose a duration. Once you've done all of that, all you have to do is hit send link, and it will send your visitor the link. Okay, that's it for setting up a visitor pass. Thanks for watching Digital Learning Resources, and I'll see you next time.